Yes, if they watch us for Go TV channel 98, the program that Ask It a Hot. And on today's matter, what we talk about? We they discuss NAS, that is the Occupy NAS versus Save NAS, who they control the remote. And we know it play out on Tuesday when a group of people, people gather, go in front of the National Assembly gate, go they protest, say, look, we want to make the Senate president, make it step aside. Based on two reasons. Based on the fact, say, look, say in the attend the CCT tribunal listing, and apart from that, say the 36 point something million naira car with the buy for National Assembly listing, say make they also provide answers to that amount of money they spend. We can also get another faction where we say their owner to say we'll stand behind the Sarakio, whether I like them or not. Say everything where they happen right now, say now monkey hand, say you get some people where we say where they control the whole thing. So the question comes, we come to ask now, we say, look, if we get a system where we say at least we won't fight for a particular cause, and we get things where we say we won't really ask. Say now the due process be this, and we got to allow people to define what we want. The thing we want to go come from our church mind. Chukwu see there for studio, and we see they collecting a call, and also they address this matter. Chukwu, we don't hear everything where people don't call. So far, the callers we don't get. And one major thing we say, where Oga Igo and Oga Daniel also mentioned, say if you look this thing keenly, you will say somehow, true, say some extended hand did this thing. Oga Igo say now washi, if I go use that term. Say because of say if you look at the people say no fit define the cause of witness they protest for. But before we go further, we will collect this call from Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby they call us from Amsterdam. Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good Oga Bobby.
Ukubi. Now later when I call when I go break when I sit there online, you call talk plenty.
Oga Bobby, no vex. Would they relate with national issues?
For my credit too. Anyway, back to the matter.
Okay.
There's something where we say everybody get to look and understand. Say yes, say those people they are hired to do the work where they protest, whether they protest for there. Because why I say so, we say you get to look at the age of those people when they side there. You understand me now? So you go look at say now young people when they give maybe if 1,000 naira, they give them 1,000 naira, you gather some.
They may not just go.
You give some person money. That person now pick up some people, give them small money, put the side boss, then drive the good there. That be what happen for there. You know, because if you look them, you're gonna say yes, those are people when you say if you ask them what be the whole matter, they're not going to explain to you why you come there, you know, but they just stay there, they sing and
very true. But Oga Bobby,
just like when it happened for London, when
they not even come for explain. Oga Bobby, make I ask you a quick one.
One girl asked the question. None of them can even say what is the reason why they come there.
Very true.
Yes.
You know, so those are the things they want to say. Now hunger they cause them.
Very true.
And those politicians, and they use them. You know, when politicians they use you, you go not say yes, say there's nothing for them to do than to use people. You know. So,
very true. Oga Bobby, make I ask you this question quickly. Oga Bobby, they hear us?
I hear you.
Okay, like that time when we say the Panama Papers, the incident when they release some people when they inside, the Oga Patapata of in country when we say in name enter inside the whole situation. Before he even explain one or two, we see the hundreds of thousands of people when come out to demand, say, okay, make this man come out for office, and the man come out. Nobody they discuss about, say, they hire these people, or na hunger, and they cause them. We don't look the situation and say, okay, some of these people, they're young, they hire them and everything. But make we look the thing when we say, at least then they drag up. Now, how we go use the Nigerian people, the multitude of Nigerians, the information to teach them and let them know, say, see so thing when they right, even in our own little way, see how we feel demand for them, rather than say, okay, then they pay person 5,000, make it go National Assembly.
First of all, you get to understand, say, there's a difference between the two countries when you measure Nigeria and Western world country. You understand me now? So
very true.
The whole dynamic of their own, not be hunger. Let me tell you something. With 1,000 naira, I can make a pot of soup and eat that for 1 week. You dey hear me so?
For inside Amsterdam, so
with 1,000 naira, go die. If you convert them the amount of 1,000 naira, you know, in euro, I go eat that pot of soup and I go eat buy rice, you know, buy small Small thing where go fit make like a bar, they eat. But for Nigeria, you not go fit. So there's a big difference in between the two places already. So those are the things where they inside. You dey see also hunger. And yeah, they make food very cheap. Nigerian food expensive. You understand me? So
very true. Oga Bobby, we really appreciate this your point. We get Oga Daniel from Ikoyi don dey patiently. Oga Daniel, thank you for your patience. Welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Daniel, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Good morning, Kobe.
Yes, we dey hear you. Right on.
Yeah, good morning.
I dey greet you, Oga Daniel.
Yeah, good morning. I greet everybody.
Okay.
Continue.
Hello, good morning, Kobe.
Yeah, we dey hear you. Daniel, continue. We dey hear.
Yeah, this is my first time calling.
Okay.
There's one question I want to ask in this year program.
Okay.
I appreciate all what people have been doing for enlightening the masses. Yeah, to really understand what the government are doing to the masses.
Okay.
My question now is, all those people in the assembly, in the house, are you sure that this thing that you people are doing gets to them? For them to know the pain, I mean, the agony they are putting on people, because those House of Assembly or national, whatever they call the government, the policy makers, they are only just there for themselves. They don't have their interest on them, for goodness sake. Those people that are only just there for self-serviceness, please, they should there for all. We make them to be there. They should always have an interest in their minds.
Very true. Very true.
Okay, thank you very, very much for that contribution.
And the fact that you don't contribute for this particular discussion shows say you don't add your voice to the call when we say Nigerians they make, so that those when they represent us go here and do waiting they right. We'll get Oga Shehu. Oga Shehu, they call us all the way from Zaria. Oga Shehu, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Nkobi.
Good morning, Shehu.
We greet you.
Yes, this matter now, I don't know how some people they take talk. Now, misinformation, they worry people. You see this Occupy Nigeria.
Okay.
I can categorically tell you, say, no be any organized thing. Say, some people, they collect money. I did Zaria, but they follow up on this matter since.
Occupy National Assembly?
Yes.
Okay.
They follow up on the matter online. There is a forum online that is called COPS, Citizen United for Peace and Stability.
Okay.
If they don't follow this matter, they go know the kind of way they have. Maybe somebody will just wake up, think, say, some people, they pay them 5,000, 2,000 to go occupy. You be Senate President. You they face trial, and you they preside to make law for us. How you want to take work? How about make him step down? He still the senator. Make him go face trial. If they find, if they convict him, fine. If they not convict him, he go accept his fate.
Very true.
But to say you the old power, and I said that they face trial, how justice won't take happen? They go manipulate the whole matter. That is why we they stand say we go occupy the National Assembly until him do the needful. The needful that need to be done is that he should step down as the Senate President. That is what is done in Western world.
Very true. Oga Shehu, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And you don't already talk, say you they follow the discussion based on as the thing they happen for online. Say they know they give anybody any money. But from examples where we don't see for inside this our country, and from what even people when we say don't organize them, don't talk, it's very, very obvious. Oga Bobby will give us the example of the one way happened for the United Kingdom that time before the elections, when they talk, say people they protest, they do this, they do that. When they even follow the person, when lead them, go ask them, say, okay, what be this thing where you there for?
What be the cause?
He even talk about say, you know, understand.
No.
Say that the money when they give and I make and come collect. And if you check, you go doubt whether somehow, if you see the way things they go, and the way when some of those people they talk, when they even post questions to them, say they even understand the reason why they even come out in the first place. But we they emphasize here, say, okay, we don't live occupy, we don't live safe. Make we look the matter when they discuss. How as a people, collectively, 170 million plus Nigerians, when we give people our mandate, say when they represent us, go stand up, tell them, say, this thing what una they do, una not do and well. This one una they do and well. Continue like that. Now that particular solution to this particular problem, now we they ask for. So when you call us, chook my for inside the matter and give advice on how best we go fit solve this particular problem there.
Shehu talk on that thing. He said something about following due process. Okay, the Senate President they do it, they face query, and at the same time, they sit down as Senate President. We get caller, right?
Moses, they call us from Milasa.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Moses.
How are you?
We dey fine.
The thing I want to talk is say, hello?
We dey hear, Oga Moses, right on.
You still they talk now here. The thing I want to talk is say, those people when they occupy National Assembly, the problem of Nigeria, and not only from the National Assembly alone,
Okay.
they should look at it holistically. There's no fuel, there's no light. Why they don't go to Action Rock, occupy, or go to the Ministry of Power and this thing, and occupy there? There's meter now. This thing, there is unnecessary billing. Only the National Assembly the problem is coming from. It's only, I'm not supporting Saraki. It's only Saraki that is corrupt, that refused to declare his asset when he was a governor. It's happened to Tinubu. It's the same man that cleared Tinubu. What is the law that he cannot clear for Saraki also? These are politics. We don't want politics in Nigeria. Like the Western world, the first caller said from Amsterdam.
Yes.
They do things in decent manner, not in a political, regional, from Yoruba, from Igbo, from Hausa. So let's do this. We should desist from all this political ethnicity and tribal bigotry.
Thank you very much, Oga.
We should face the reality. What I'm saying in the reality is that the problem of Nigeria is not only from the National Assembly. The problem of Nigeria is politically. We should look at all areas. They should go to the presidency. The president has been traveling here and there. Should go to, there's no light. There's no water. There is no this and that.
Oga Moses, thank you very much. You don't make a very strong point when you talk, say, look, make we address this matter holistically, because when we talk about, say, National Assembly matter, say, not being the only matter we get other matters. And at least people are supposed to raise their voice on top of this thing. Make we also demand for certain rights. You talk, say, look, make we do things holistically, the way you're supposed to do. Because we just focus on one thing rather, and meanwhile, they ignore other relevant problems where Nigeria they face. Thank you for that contribution. And going by what I talk about Seun said something about due process. And due process, they say, look, if the law states, say, okay, you they face query, why they face the query? Okay, make you step down. Then at least we will not say yes. Really, these same people they get cause for what they fight for. And just as we talk, they have two strong reasons. The reason say, okay, motorway them buy for a particular amount compared to the a particular amount that they sell them. And also the fact say the regular visit of the Senate president to the CCT tribunal case, they also somehow they also slow down the leadership for the house, because if you go always attend this thing, you go always get distracted when you come back, say they come address house, that kind of thing. So these are right somehow. Seun was right about saying due process should be followed. But make us still follow. Make us still look this matter.
But when our Oga President they travel. You know affect the way when governments they go now. No, I just talk, contribute to what you talk.
We don't see some of the benefits of the travel.
The travel, we don't see some of the benefits of the whole visit when they go see city now. You never see. At least we never sign budgets now. No,
why does that mean? Why would they record me now?
Your people now.
What is the meaning of all this?
Your people. That Nigerians the truth.
Who are Nigerians? What are they tell?
Your people now.
I'm a Nigerian.
Your
I'm a Nigerian. All of us Nigerians.
No,
all join.
because you are from Cameroon.
Don't you ever?
No, it's because he like don't know what they do for this country.
No, please. Of all things, there are two things I will not accept from you. Don't ever they take. See, Chukudi. No, they take my national.
I don't say you call it's not a statement.
No, either way.
I say because you are from Cameroon.
Nigerians,
because the way when things happen
Nigerians
for this country, if like that, only you don't understand.
Nigerians go say different.
Only you don't understand.
Nigerians go feel say true. This
say people they complain, say work no day. Instead of make government serious with the work, they control the mood. Occupy safe. Make we go. Go and tell your people. Make we go.
You said go and tell your people.
They go CCT.
Go and tell your people.
Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when inside the world. Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. Ezuku Chukudi Anukubide inside studio, and we dey discuss Occupy National Assembly versus Save National Assembly, who they control the remote. We don't drop the two talk down, say, these people come and talk, say, how they go approve 36.5 million motor for 36 people. When people they suffer for this country, they don't support them. How person when they go CCT every day go answer present. When we say no even preside over the house, go see the claim say Mr. President making step down. Because people when come and talk say, we know say now people they sponsor owner. Some people even talk say 5,000 naira every day, they collect with new polo and say that they chop. Pass people where even they house. The food when they chop for there every day. Pass people where even they house.
Where you get this one from?
Oga Shehu from Zaria, tell you waiting that they talk online.
Hey!
So could be you go somewhere from 10 to 5, you no go chop.
Plus how much you mention?
5,000 naira now.
Where the money they come from?
Who na me they ask? You ask your people now.
Why you go ask my people?
Why you go they ask me?
Okay, this
when I ask you question, you answer.
The other group, how much did they collect?
I don't know. But then too, they collect something. This one wey they complain say fuel no dey. Who they fuel their motor?
5,000 naira.
And then they drink cold water. And bag of pure water now don't even increase.
They just 3 square meal.
3 square meal.
Hey!
And the takeaway park where they use, they collect the food. He not be the number one, no. He long where. He long pass this thing like 2.
We're going to look this matter where it could be.
And I even hear say the jollof, if from the takeaway park, you go they see the smoke of the jollof. And people they hungry.
You talk about first say they hungry, true.
No, people, you know they hungry.
I know say from here.
No, you know
from
they hungry.
Here, where they don't hear the aroma of the jollof rice.
You know they hungry. You know they hungry.
You go take note the trace rice they go. Where I see. You're a hungry man.
See your nose.
We get a caller. Good morning. Somebody's calling us from Enugu. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Okonkwo.
Okonkwo, good morning.
Yeah, how are you? Good morning.
Yeah,
Good fine, Oga Okonkwo.
Yes.
Continue with your contribution. This one where you clear throat, it means say you want fire on Kubio.
Well, first of all, I like this una program.
Thank you very much.
They see Wazobia.
Thank you.
And Kubi, in your gentleman's race, you are very great.
Thank you very much.
I salute all of you.
Thank
Agree
you.
too.
The thing why I want to talk here is say, these people where they for assembly, get where they come from. And if you want to withdraw them, there's a way you go to withdraw them. So if we go to feed, they talk to the people where they come, tell them the power they get to caution the person where they send for the House of Assembly, it will be better thing.
Very true.
So that when they come back home, they tell them, say, this is where they go there, they do, or we don't like them. Otherwise, next time we feed no send you, go there.
True.
And therefore, corruption, yes, due process is good. But when you catch anybody, punish that person. Every day we hear say EFCC, they go court, and they go for this person. We never hear say they put anybody for prison or anything like that. And not only the big men, they go they pursue. If you pursue the big men, they go man they here or now with hunting. There are small people where they ground, where they keep them every time. Even if you change people, bring new people, those small people where they ground go take the new way. This is where to steal.
Very true.
Get some small people, jail them. Then if big man tell them, say, make we do this, then go say, no. That is my contribution.
Oga Okonkwo, this your contribution. Don't finish talk
you
for this particular discussion.
Deep down, go bring the distinct talk. Bring her out. That's to show say yes, you're a man. You're a man where we say you get wisdom well. Chukudi, I mean, with Okonkwo talk, I just
you don't accept.
I just it make my belly sweet somehow because Okonkwo really drop issues we they very important. He said something. He said, okay, we as Nigerians now we elect people where they lead us, where they represent us, and now we also get the right, the power to also call back these people. Say, look, a young man, representative, you in the forehand. Don't make you go do the right thing. Because if you no do them, we go do it. Now the same way we put that's what we say call for your removal. So that is why Nigerians needs to at least we need to at least sit right. Make we ask questions when we need to ask them.
Very true.
Make we follow our leaders the way we're supposed to follow them. Because since now we put them there, now we also get the right to also call them back, say, nah, no try, make them come out.
Very true.
We get Kingsley. Kingsley, they call us. Good morning.
Good morning.
Kingsley from Surulere. Good morning. Will they hear you?
Please, I want to talk about those people where they talk, say, make a design, and that is...
Kingsley, if you raise your voice up small.
I want to talk about these people who say make the Saraki resign.
Okay, will they hear?
That is very, very obvious that people are sponsoring them. It's APC that is sponsoring those people. You understand? Because of what Saraki did to them. Why is it every time Saraki matter, every time Saraki? Here, there is no light, no fuel. Fulani herdsmen are massacring people every day. Nobody is saying anything. It's every time Saraki.
Oga Kingsley.
I don't know whether he's still in Nigeria.
Oga Kingsley, make I ask you one question. You hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Now, if these people talk, say, Senate Presido You suppose preside over the House of Senate, make them they do their work. But you they go court every day. Shey, e no just mean say make you kuku look and say, okay, oh, make I just allow another person continue as Senate president, make I dey do my thing, they go. This motor when they buy 36.5 million, when they talk say, Nigerians they suffer, no buy. First, make we leave say, okay, they sponsor them or anything. Make we look the issues when we say they discuss. As a people, as Nigerians, all of us collectively agree say, the thing no dey okay. How you take things say we go fit go about them? First, come on high about say they sponsor anybody. Okay, Kingsley, the question not tire you now, you don't run. But we appreciate the fact that you call and you make your important contribution as it concerns this matter.
If you say credit finish.
It go good make we emphasize on waiting Oga Okonkwo from Enugu tell us. He may talk about the process of recall. The process of recall now say waiting they inside our constitution say okay, oh, if this person no do well, as a people when we say una vote them to represent una fit call the person back. If all of us from our small constituents we get the idea say okay, oh, we fit call this person come back, make him come back house because he no do what he want make him do. Collectively as a people, if we can't join our hand together, it go dey very, very good. Because if you check the House of Senate, you get 3 people from every state, 1 from the Federal Capital Territory. If you do plus or minus, they get over 100 people. Now, if not be to even they carry them come out one by one. If based on say this is my constituency now, this person they represent me for this senatorial zone, and they talk like this, we they talk so that he go know say people when they represent for us, they won't make him do well. If all of us they talk like that, say we come out first, say they sponsor, they no sponsor, 5,000, no 5,000. This thing when they do no they good. All of them go begin to take us serious. It go be like say sometimes then they look Nigerians as people when we say not be today. That today they don't talk. If they talk, if it's entire them, they go give up. So as a people, we go continue to they talk, they go. And the one when our brother been tell us say those when they up, shouldn't they hear our voice? If you not contribute to the discussion, you know go make the voice louder. As we they talk, they represent the interests of Nigerians. Give you license to chook mouth inside. Continue to they talk so that those when they represent us go here because now we they represent.
Yes, and because of say they on this same platform, that platform they also give now the right to do it to talk with the man the way now want to at least even if the leaders themselves know they hear directly. They get people who go do it, who go pass the message across the say, "Sio, Nigerians are doing it. Nigerians are making demands. Say, Sio, Nigerians say they want to know at this particular situation take go because in the major thing is say the whole thing they are hand. Now us go as Nigeria go do it. Go the question they find answers because if you don't find answers for to how our leaders they rule us. Where it is the answer will come from? Not the rocket science, just as you they talk. The answer not will just come from somewhere. Do it, it can't land in front of you. Now if you go do it, you go seek that answer the way you're supposed to seek out.
Exactly. And it is very, very important. Make we point them out, say, we they talk am here, say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Nigeria no be anybody personal estate. Some people feel they're comfortable for when they look, say, okay, make we use people, make them come out, make them talk, make them do waiting right. But anytime we hear any issue, first and foremost, make we come out say, I did PDP, I did APC, I did this party, I did party, or I be Igbo, you be Yoruba, you be Hausa, you be Fulani, you be this. Make we look at me first as Nigerians. Because if this our country spoil, not benefit for those of us. Our children, when they come out, they benefit them. Some people don't chop this country office. If we all agree, say the office when they don't chop this country don't reach, make we do the one when we say we'll begin the correct chopping office of our country. Then as a people, we'll go begin the demand for more. Why people when they for one particular place go look, say, okay, for their own comfort, based on say that they represent us, they need this. But the Nigerian people, when they represent, they cry out and then they suffer. Leadership no be just say you dey there because you dey there as oga. You dey there to serve your people. And when they talk about say service no be NYSC, no be IT. If you no sabi the work, come up for there. The reason why you dey there na because your people believe say make you serve them. And we go carry report card of everybody come out. So the one when people they share rice, 3 cups and groundnut oil and small 1,000 naira, we don't want them again. And now from today we go talk say we don't want them as Nigerians. Make all of us stand up. They talk say we know say this hunger don't too much.
Yes,
we want country where we say God will bless us, go bless us, they go.
Because now when you get the right set of leaders, at least you get the right state of the right state of government. Because if the leaders know they no do what they're supposed to, how leadership, how governance go take do it, go take very good. Exactly. Well, Chukudi, you see as me and you take collectively.
Wait till we collectively thank our people when call us on top of the show today because I know allow them fire you too much. You know, say as they take first start with
what
you.
What are you? Who are you to define?
Our callers they when call us.
Who are you to define?
Allow me to thank our callers.
I will not allow you anything.
Our callers they when call us.
I ask you a question.
Are you cutting me?
I'm not. No, I'm asking a question.
You are cutting me.
I'm asking a question.
You are cutting
Give me an answer to my question.
Allow me to thank them. Our callers, when call us, we appreciate you now. All of you now, when they support us on top of us in the hot, we no go fit thank una enough. Those when call when it no enter based on say our line na hot cake, make una no vex. Now get opportunity to call tomorrow and make una own contribution. Make we continue to the talk, make this country for better.
Until tomorrow, we'll go come again.
So, what's
answer my question. Answer this question. Answer my question.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.